Kirsty Anne Hair here from James the Salon in Adelaide. I am here with my beautiful model Ella. I am taking you through a beautiful high textured pony that I cannot wait to show you guys. But first off, I want to talk about how I prep the hair. So I prep the hair with the all-in-one leave-in conditioner and the Volumizing Mist. So these are two brand new products that are mind-blowing and perfect for this kind of look. I also love having them just for a voluminous textured wave, as you can see here. But I'm about to build it all up using all Moroccanoil products and I can't wait to show you. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start off with the dry texture spray. I love this because I can add and add and add rather than just like, you know, spraying a little bit and it being too heavy. I quite like layering and adding. Look at that body already. That is just amazing. Just by adding that product in there, that's beautiful. But I do want more body and I want it to stay. So because this is the under layer, I'm going to tease underneath. Adding more. And so I have some hold. I'm going to be using the Luminous Hairspray. This one's in medium. So still, again, light, bouncy, but you can always build up, and that's what I absolutely love about these products. That I've still got bounce, I've still got shine, I've still got texture. So every section just adding dry texture spray. The dry texture spray has some beautiful hold to it. So sometimes I don't use hairspray because of the beautiful hold and bounce, but depending on the hair, we've got fine hair here, but we've got lots of it. I'm really loving this structure, this body, this volume that we've got going on here, and I want it to hold a really long time, so I'm going to use the Luminous Hairspray in Strong, just to sort of set all of that together, to make sure that we can go spend the whole day with this pony and it will still be perfect. Just to recap on what I used the all-in-one leave-in conditioner to begin, which is beautiful and soft and creates that hydrated look. And then I used the Volumizing Mist to get that body in that bounce. As you can see, it was super workable, and even the way it really poured it on the hair, it was still beautiful, has texture, nothing's heavy, and it's gonna stay beautiful the rest of the day. I used the dry texture spray to build that volume up, and then I used two different hairsprays. I used the Luminous Hairspray in Strong and the Luminous Hairspray in Medium as well.